Hey, I'm Frank Pena at Toyota of Katy, also known as TOK Off-road. Let's take a look at this SR5 that's been heavily modified. First off, let's start off with the front, because this is what you always see in your rearview mirror when you're driving down the highway. First off, we took a factory TRD Pro grille, custom painted the letters on the front, added a Diodynamics 20-inch light bar, right? And then we also added the DV8 front bumper with the Mojab recovery gear and a winch. We've also added more lights down here for the visibility for when you're off-roading, when you're in some fog, or whatever may be necessary in front of you, right? So let's move over a little bit and let's discuss what we got here on the front. These are your Nova Series Alpha Rex headlights. Here we've added a 2.5-inch lift Westcott lift in the front with a 1-inch in the back. We've also paired it with some 17-inch 8.5 KMCs, zero offset, and a 37 12.5 17-inch tire with some minor trimming on it in order for you to be able to flex the truck and off-road it. The next part is where we add our signature logos to the side of the doors, like TOK Off-road, our website, and we also added a tuxedo wrap and matte finish just to tie in all the stuff around the truck that ties in with it, because it has a matte finish, flares, door handles, mirror covers, and it ties it all in. Everybody's always asking, like, what kind of steps can I put on my truck? What will work with my, usage? Or what will work with what I'm going to be doing off-roading or not off-roading? Well, here we've added these road truck steps. They're called the RB20s, and they're a little wider for those people who have the bigger foot and don't slip off easy. Let me take you to the back of this Tundra so we can finish off exactly everything's been done to the back side of it. First off, we start off with the Alpha Rex tail lights. Look at those beauties, right? Light up and glow. Next off, we got the DV8 bumper, flush mounted here. Look at the clean install on this thing. Right here behind me is actually your tri-fold Toyota bed cover accessory upgrade that you can get on any Tundra. It's useful. Keeps your stuff safe. Nobody knows what you have in there. And it's semi-waterproof. Take a look at the door panels. Take a look at the interior of this truck. It's all been mocked off of a platinum Toyota Tundra. The interior of the seats have all been done. The center console, even the headrest. Take a look at that. TOK Off-road custom stitch headrest, all paired from Aaliyah leather. We've added a bullet point mounting solutions, cell phone holder, which is very great for when you're off-roading. Very sturdy, phone won't fall off of there. And they also have other accessories that you can add onto this thing. And it's also added a mount to be able to control the D switch. That way you can control all your lights with it. This concludes the overview of our latest TOK off-road build. If you have any questions on how you can make your truck look like this or SUV, come see me, Frank, in the parts department at Toyota of Katy.